Your brain is doing something right now that you probably don't even notice. It's making financial decisions for you. Before you do, before you think, before you realize it's happening. And the strange part is, it's not doing this because it's broken. It's doing it because it works exactly the way it was designed to. Just not for the life you actually want. Your brain doesn't want you to be wealthy. It wants you to be comfortable. And those are not the same thing. Comfort is immediate. Wealth is delayed. Comfort feels safe. Wealth feels uncertain. Comfort gives you something right now. Wealth asks you to wait. And your brain almost always chooses right now. Not because you're lazy, not because you lack discipline, because you're human. And that's where the problem begins. Think about the last time you got paid. What happened next? For most people, the money starts moving almost immediately. A dinner out, a few online orders, a subscription renewed, a small upgrade. Nothing dramatic, nothing that feels irresponsible, just little comfort decisions, one after another, until suddenly the paycheck is mostly gone and you're left wondering where it all went. But here's what's happening inside your brain. Every time you spend money, your brain gets a hit of dopamine, a reward chemical, a tiny rush, and your brain loves that feeling. It remembers it. It starts to expect it, which means spending money can literally feel like success, even when it's quietly hurting your future. That's the trap, and it goes deeper. Your brain is also always scanning for threats, not just physical threats, financial ones too. And to your brain, losing money feels dangerous. Psychologists call this loss aversion. It means losing $100 can feel almost twice as painful as gaining $100 feels good. Think about that. Your brain is not wired to make you wealthy. It's wired to keep you safe. So, what does it do? It avoids anything that feels risky. Investing, starting a business, locking money away for the future. Because those things don't offer instant safety. They offer uncertainty. And your brain hates uncertainty. So instead, it pushes you toward things you can see, things you can touch, things that make you feel better now, not 10 years from now, right now. That's why so many intelligent, hardworking people still feel financially stuck. Not because they made one giant mistake, because their brain quietly guided them away from wealth thousands of times through decisions that felt completely normal. So how do people break free from that? Not by becoming a different person, by training the brain differently. Your brain responds to what you train it to respond to. Right now, it has been trained by ads, by sales notifications, by one-click buying, by instant rewards everywhere. It has been trained to expect comfort now, but that can change, not overnight, deliberately. It starts with a pause. Before you spend money on anything, pause for a second and ask yourself, is this my brain looking for comfort? Or am I actually building my future? That tiny pause creates space, and inside that space, logic can finally show up, because logic sees what emotion can't. Logic sees what that dollar could become later. Logic sees the freedom that comes from ownership. Emotion only sees today. Logic sees tomorrow. And once you start choosing tomorrow more often, your brain slowly begins to rewire. The rewards start feeling different. Watching your savings grow feels good. Seeing an investment increase feels good. Saying no to something unnecessary starts feeling like progress. That's when the shift happens, not because you became smarter, because you started training your mind to value the future. The deeper truth, that's the real battle. Not money versus money, mind versus impulse, future versus comfort. The people who build wealth are not the ones who feel less temptation. They're the ones who learn not to obey it. They understand something most people never fully learn. every financial decision is really a choice. Comfort now or freedom later, and the cost of choosing comfort now is usually invisible. That's what makes it so dangerous. A small expense here, a quick upgrade there, a little reward today, and over time, those small choices shape a completely different life, not because of one bad decision, because of thousands of tiny ones. Closing. So ask yourself this: how many financial decisions is your brain making for you right now without you even noticing? Because awareness is where it begins. The moment you see the pattern, you can interrupt it. The moment you interrupt it, you can change it. And the moment you change it, your financial future starts changing too. Not because your income changed, because your brain did. If this made you think differently about money, subscribe for more. Every week, we break down the psychology, habits, and hidden patterns that keep people stuck, and the small shifts that create real wealth. Because the most powerful financial tool you'll ever have isn't your income, it isn't your bank account, it's the mind making decisions behind the scenes. Learn to work with it instead of against it, and everything changes.